Several years ago on Craigslist, someone was giving away a greenhouse, and it was pretty much just the frame. My uncle and I went, picked it up, and brought it back down here to what used to be our little homestead. It's a pretty nice little setup too. As you can see, it's all welded together. It's a pretty solid frame. I'm not sure if this thermostat works anymore, or if the fan works, but I do have a fan built into here, receptacles, light, and of course I will run some irrigation in here as well once I get it set up. But when we moved up to Greenville, I didn't take it with me. And for the past several years, I've only been using it as storage. I've got a bunch of beekeeping equipment in there, and then of course my parents have put stuff in there as well, so we have a lot to clean out. As you can see, it's got trees growing out of the side of it. Definitely got some work to be done to it. The glass is broken out of the door, and it is full of stuff that we have to move. So I'm gonna get started on it. Alright, well, we got the greenhouse cleaned out and ready to move. I think I'm going to have to come back tomorrow when I've got more muscle so we can see if we can get it on a trailer and take it to the house. Alright, day 2, we're going to see if we can get this thing loaded onto a trailer. In case y'all didn't know what we were doing.
I thought you was older than bigger on.
Whoa! Right, bring that back in around. Don't tear my plastic.
Nephew was trying to pick it up high.
Alright, turn back to the right. Oh man. So if you guys enjoy this kind of content, make sure you like and share this with other people, but then subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you get to see the next video we put out. Oh man. Grab them. Alright, well, we got it on the trailer. It's secure, fastened down tight. We got a little bit of work to do, just make sure we have plenty of air in the tires and that sort of thing, but we're about to take off, head back to the house, and see if we can get this thing put into place.
Are you here taking pictures?
I'm doing some video. These are great. I keep one of these in every vehicle. Not only is it a jump start, it's also a compressor, and I have used these so many times.
Alright, here we go.
Doesn't fit here the way I thought it would. I gotta move it. It's his fault it didn't work. So this is where we're gonna end up putting it. And I don't have any of this cleaned out yet, but this is where it's going and I'll have to clean it out afterwards.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, I can pick it up.
Y'all hung on something back there. Probably bamboo.
It's the bamboo.
Whoa! Alright. Hey, that might be
Hey!
Oh, that wasn't bamboo, that was stone.
Ellie! Hey baby!
It ain't
I don't want to be in your video. You're going to have to cut out all of that.
Ain't nobody want to be in my video.
All that.
Well, that was a lot more work, but it's a lot better spot for it, I guess. Well, we took a good bit of damage. Now, this is a mess. However, this was set up. This is pretty dangerous stuff here. So, got to redo all of that. But, I think this will be good. I've got this plastic for the greenhouse, and I bought it to cover the greenhouse. When I got that frame, I actually bought enough to do it twice. So the plastic that is on there now is the first half of this roll, and I am not ultimately going to use this for that greenhouse. I'm going to cover it in the acrylic panels, but we're running so low on time here this spring, I got to get stuff started. So for now, I'm going to clean this up so that I can drape it over the greenhouse to get us through this spring. So something has chewed a hole in the plastic since I brought it here about a week ago, but it looks like I've got enough that I will be able to put it over and keep our seeds warm for this spring.
We do wish you. We don't want to be quiet.
You just want to be quiet?
Yeah.
So I had to take a break for a little bit. I'm running out of light now, but yeah, someone just came up and tried to take my neighbor's dog. And it's a car, a little girl, probably 11, 12, got out of the car and was calling the dog, trying to get it. The worst part was it's not just an 11, 12-year-old girl being mischievous and getting into trouble. There was an adult that let her out, try to get that dog. And it's a little lap dog. That dog does not like anybody. I don't even know if it likes its owners, but she can say poochie poochie all she wants to. It is not coming and getting in that car with her. So the dog was safe. She was not going to be able to steal that dog. But I mean, they just like right out here, broad daylight, trying to get these people's dog. Gosh. Alright, that part's done. The only thing I have left to do now is figure out something with this door. That's going to be a little bit trickier. But that is a project for tomorrow. Alright, we'll take a quick look inside.
What? Where do those come from?
If you build it, they will come. I'm pretty sure that's not how that works. Alright, well that is it. That is my temporary greenhouse setup anyway. Once I start doing the acrylic panels on this thing, I will show you what that looks like and what I'm doing. But again, that's probably going to be a project for the fall. So if you guys enjoy that kind of stuff, make sure you like and share this with other people, but then subscribe and turn on notifications. That way you get to see the next video we put out. As always, we appreciate you guys and everything you do. Make sure you check out this video next. And if you're interested in supporting us, check the links in the description below. That's really helpful for us to make the content that we're making. And we can't wait to see you guys next time. She can say poochie poochie all she wants to.